Hello everyone. Today we are discussing a very important opportunity for the employees working inside one of the India's best and largest public sector companies, the Coal India Limited. If you are already working in CIL and aiming for growth, better position and a faster promotion, then the interdepartmental examination series is your golden pathway. Let's understand it clearly. Coal India conducts various departmental and interdepartmental examination for the categories like non-executive moving to executive, technicians and supervision seeking higher grades, clerical to officer level promotion, mining, electrical, mechanical, finance, personal and the sales departments. Each examination tests two things: your technical knowledge and your administrative capability. Now the exam structure. Most interdepartmental exam include technical or departmental knowledge like mining, mechanical, electrical, safety, accounts, HR as applicable. And second comes the general awareness like CIL structure, coal sector policies, environment and safety. Number 3 comes the reasoning and quantitative ability. And number 4 is the company specific rules like CIL conduct, discipline and the appeal rules, the standing orders, labor laws and the leave rules, etc. The paper is objective and in many categories and descriptive or case study based in higher promotions. Now, what makes this examination unique? Unlike competitive examination outside, here you already have experience. Your field work, your shift duties, your departmental task, all of this becomes your extra advantage. But the examination requires structured study, not just job experience. Now, some special tips for my students. Revise your department manuals thoroughly. Study the Coal India's latest circulars, safety policies and the environmental norms. Learn the updated mining policies, regulations, DGMS guidelines and the labor acts. Practice the reasoning and the arithmetic. It boosts your score and quickly. Go through the previous year question papers. They repeat frequently and make short notes on CIL rules and the daily revise them for at least 10 minutes. Improve the writing skill for the descriptive papers, especially the case studies and the note format answer. Remember, promotions in CIL are not just about seniority. They are about knowledge, discipline and the internal competency. Now, clearing the interdepartmental examination can give you the faster promotion, higher responsibilities, better salary grade, leadership opportunities and a long-term stability inside the organization. So, join us today.